We offer a complete aluminum CNC machining service and can produce complex aluminum parts with 13 different types of aluminum. Aluminum parts are great for applications that require high strength, corrosion resistance, heat tolerance, low weight, electroconductivity, and overall visibility. We work with almost every kind of CNC mill and turning center, and are able to machine sample as machined working holdings to complex organic geometries with high tolerances. With our aluminum CNC machining services, you can apply up to 13 different post-processing surface finishing options, including bead blasting, anodizing types 2 and 3, powder coating, and electroless nickel plating.